can't log into League of Legends because of the unexpected error with login session? Hi there folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the unexpected error with login session problem in League of Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. Solution 1. First, make sure you're not using a VPN. If you are, disconnect it before attempting to log into your League of Legends. To do this, simply open up Settings, then click on Network and Internet, then click on VPN, then click on Disconnect if you're connected to any VPN. Now try logging into League of Legends. Solution 2. If you're still getting this error related to Riot Client using the Task Manager. To do this, first open up the Task Manager. If you can't find it anywhere, right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now scroll down and find processes related to Riot Client. For example, here's Riot Client 32-bit. Now just right click on the process and select End Task. Now do this for other Riot Client related processes as well. After that, open up Riot Client or League of Legends and try logging into your account. Solution 3. If you still can't log in, check if League of Legends server is down. To do this, visit status.riotgames.com from a browser of your choice. Next, select Language and click on Continue. Now scroll down a little bit and click on League of Legends. Next, select your region and language from this menu and click on Continue. Now, if there is any issue with the server of your region, it will be listed here. If there's any problems, just wait for Riot Games to fix this issue. And then you'll be able to log in. And folks, that's how you fix the unexpected error with login session issue in League of Legends. If this video helped you out, hit the like button. And if you still have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.